So let me share my screen and let's start. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so I guess now you can see my screen and let's start over. So hello, good morning everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Today we'll be talking about the basics of technical analysis. Let's first start with our website just for a quick introduction. So basically we were in a conference this week in Serbia. It was a huge conference, the Tomorrow Conference. It was amazing. We were the sponsor of this seminar. Um, let's log into my account and see what benefits we have Centurion Invest. So easy steps to log into your account, and now we're in. So this is the account dashboard. This is the overview. You can see everything from here, how much coins you have, how much USD, Euro. So between fiat and crypto, you can see the price of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and how much you have. So for this is a demo account only. I do not have anything in my account right now. Um, So this is the account overview. You can see the CIX coins right here, which is the native token for the company, for the platform, for the exchange. It's a huge project that we're working on. It's already launched. You can register to buy CIX. It's a huge project that has a potential to 5 and 6 times its price. So I advise you to take a look. And we also have Nikon listed. So Nikon is also a huge project. You can see their whitelist. You can see everything. It's a project backed by Nickel. So it's a huge project also. On the left, we can see all the options we can see here from the account dashboard. So let's say, for example, let's say to the current account, we can go to overview. We can see the investment plans that are running. So the investment plan is basically that you put in money and get a certain APY per year. So let's say, for example, for $10,000, you can get a guaranteed fixed income of 30%, and you can take it per month. So people also benefit a lot from this. Now let's see, for example, if you want to deposit, we can press right here, deposit, and deposit either Euro or USD. So you can also deposit using the credit card, wire transfer, and P2P. So we have everything in place. And let's look at the physical card, which is being launched right now. It's powered by Visa. You have your name on it. You can buy and withdraw cryptocurrency using this card. And let's see, for example, let's look at the lifestyle plans and the student plan, for example. We also have other plans. You can talk to our sales team to have more info about it. So the sales the, so the sorry the student plan, you can invest $10,000 and have a $500 fixed monthly income for 3 years. So approximately $18,000 in or $8,000 in profit. So it's really huge. Uh, you better take a look at it. And now let's start with our webinar. So this is Ethereum. I will remove everything. So today we'll be talking about trend lines. we'll be talking about support and resistance. We'll be talking about candlesticks. So these are the three major things that we will be talking about today. Now let's start with the trend line. So what is the trend line basically? First let's start with the 4 hours time frame, because this is the most convenient time frame to work on with trend lines, or you can also work with the daily. Let me just work with the basically, let's start with the daily if you want. So just one thing, if you have any questions, please comment and I will be answering it. So let's put it right here. So what is a trend line? Basically, from its name, it's a trend. So you have to see something that has a certain trend, and then in order to better visualize it, you can draw the trend line using this option right here. So for example, we can see on the daily time frame that Ethereum was on a bullish trend line right here from March 2021, where it was around $1,200. So how is the a bullish trend line indicated? It's indicated like this. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is the higher high, which is higher than this high. So that's why it's called higher high. This is a high, this is a higher high, this is a low, this is a low, sorry, higher low. However, if we were talking about a bearish trend line, we can see something like this. So this is a low, this is a lower low, this is a high, this is a lower high. So this is how trends are identified. So the trend lines are for you to better visualize. So we can see here it's a low, it's a higher low, it's a higher low, it's a higher low. Okay, it's a high, it's a higher high. So this is how trends are identified. So what can we benefit from this trend line? Why do people use it? So we can see right here that trend lines must have at least two touches in order to become a valid trend line. So this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So at the fifth touch, the trend line actually broke down. So this is a bad signal that a shift has happened, and we are now not in a bullish trend anymore. We have entered the bearish market, which is started around early May, or we can say early uh, or late April. We can say like this. So this is basically it regarding trend lines. If anyone has a question, please do ask. Let's see if sorry, one thing. This is on the daily time frame. We can um, build the trend lines any time frame you want. Let's say at the 15 minutes. So at the 15 minutes, we can also draw trend lines. However, it's not very accurate as the daily time frame, let's say. So we can see that we have this channel right here and this channel also right here. So what has Ethereum been doing lately? Lately Ethereum has been going like this and this and this inside a channel. So from 13 May we can see this behavior, and basically Ethereum is going to the 2150 right now. It's 2080. So yeah, that's basically it regarding trend lines. So let's talk about support and resistance now. So also support and resistance. Okay, thank you, Anudu. Okay, so let's now talk about support and resistance. So you can also start with the daily time frame. What is the support and resistance? It's a basically a zone that the price was not being able to break either up or down. So let's say we have something like this and like this. Price has been going like this. Okay, so this is the resistance because price was not being able to go up, it has been resisting down, so this is a resistance. However, this down right here is a support, so everything here, this zone right here is a support zone. Why? Because price was not been able to go below it, it has been supported by the zone, and price went back up again. So this is what we mean by support and resistance. So now how we can draw it? You can also draw it at any time frames you would like. So let's look right here on Ethereum. So Ethereum, uh, how can we identify the next support, for example? So we can see right here on the daily time frame that this zone right here at 1750. So this zone right here. Okay, so consider we are living right now. We are now September 2021. So how can we identify a support level? Uh, just look at, see this behavior right here. See the ranging motion at the resistance level. So it was not been being able to break it directly. However, it broke it after like a month or two. It broke this resistance level, and once a resistance level is broken, it turns out to be a support level. So after becoming a support, look what happened. It went up and then back down again to this support level, retested it, and went back up again around $1,000. So what happened back then again? It went down, retested, and then went up. What happened? Went back, retested, and went back up again. So you can see that support levels are really like accurate. So let's look again at the 1750 level. So now, after being in a downtrend, where can we basically see the next support? So this 1750 1800 level was a good buy zone for Ethereum. So the this level 1750 1800, it clearly rejected it and went back up again. You can see at the daily time frame that it retested the 1800 level and went back up again around $300 in 3 days. So it's a pretty good number. What we can see now is that now let's talk about a bit of candlesticks. So what can we see is that the bullish candles are small while the bearish candle is big. So look at this candle, for example, on May 11. It's pretty big, right? Look at this May 13 level. It's small. Why? Because we have a small body. So this is a candle. Okay, so this is what's happening right now. A small bullish candle. However, we have this huge bearish candle. So this candle right here, for example, is a huge bearish candle. This candle right here is a small bullish candle. So this is what a bearish market has a characteristic. So it's a quick and large dump to the bottom while small uptrends. So this is what's happening in the bearish market. Let's look also about the 15 minutes time frame. Let's say about support and resistance. They also work on the 15 minutes time frame. So Let's take a look at this. Uh, what we see now is a bit advanced because this is how we trade basically with Centurion Invest. Okay, so this is how quickly I can identify a zone. So we can see here that Ethereum went down, caught resistance at about $2,000 and ranged here a bit. Okay, so what can I see now from this is that Ethereum found this level as a resistance level. So breaking this level right here, I will put now a red mark where is a buy signal. So breaking this level, which is the 2050 level, was a buy signal, and you could have profited around 50 to $40, $40 to $50, sorry, with this trade. So this is how quickly we should identify a zone. Let's look about the comments. Thank you, Natalia. So this is how quickly you should identify a zone. This is from the 15 minutes time frame, and we actually took this trade yesterday. We closed around 2090, so around here. So how can you identify now the exit? So as you can see right here, we look at the left. We can see here that we have some rejections. You see, so look at May 15, look at May 16. So we can see a bit of rejections here at the 2090 level. So it is a zone of rejection. Now, in case we broke this level again, right here, and touch 2110, we can wait for a retest around 2098, and then we can go up again. So this is a small time frame analysis. This is a short term bullish move. We are still in an overall bearish trend because looking at the daily time frame, for example, it's pretty bearish. Look at this dump right here. We should have a small correction using the Fibonacci that we will talk about later on. So we have a bit of a relief until 2300, 2400, and then we should continue the bearish trend. So you can benefit now from the bullish momentum that is happening, and then at 2300, 2400, get out of the market because we shall start taking shorts rather than longs. So this is basically it, guys. I hope you liked everything. In case you have any questions, please shoot it now in the comment section, and I will be more than glad to answer any questions you might have. So, guys, I'm still waiting any questions that you might have. In case you don't have any questions, this is the first session from the Learn the Basics episodes. Okay, I think no one has any questions. I will basically stop. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good trading day. I hope you have a good week. Wishing you all the best. Bye bye.